Alright, welcome back to the channel, gang. And let's see, we're going to do an unboxing of this bad boy. You know what time it is. It's FPVcrate time, bro. Check out that new box for this month of, let's see, where are we? February. Even though we are in March, but this is February's box. I'm kind of slacking, so bear with me here. Let's see what we got in the box, shall we? Ooh. Bubble wrap. Just playing. Supply blades for luminaire, octo knife. Oh no, they sent a little letter to apologize for not sending you exacto blades for your knife in here. I guess it might be confiscated if it had it inside there, but oh well. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, that's some pretty sexy stickers there. How dope is that? She just cool. Look at that. Sweet. Sort of love the glare there from the light. Alright, so this one's got a little 7% off on the Velox motors. Hey. And then another apologizing note or apologetic card saying they can't ship the batteries for, ooh, it's kind of a little giveaway there of what they put in here. Sweet. Alright, let's see if February's is going to be any better than January's. Got some props in here to start off. How many props we got in here? 3 sets of props. Let's see. 2 sets are Hurricanes 5146 by Gem Fan. Those are pretty dope. Not bad. They're kind of, what is that, like a milky white? Interesting color. Yeah. 2 of those. Nice. Ooh, we got a set of those Gem Fan LED props. And actually, I had already purchased some. You can actually see what they look like. Where's that wrench? This is on one of my analog builds, but here you go. Here's check this out. This is pretty good. I mean, you saw it on barbells, but yeah, well, just a little tightening. Sick, right? Very cool. And then just turn them off to save battery. Sweet, right? Sweet! Hey, where you going? Face it over here. Tracking the wrong one. Anyway. That's a good one. Hey, over here. Back over here. Come on. Really? Alright, come back over here, you. There we go. Alright. Back at Pretty cool, right? This blade's pretty sick. There's the X-Acto they were talking about. Pretty cool. I was using X-Acto, but need some blades. But good thing I got spares from my other ones, right? Oh, they're out there listening to the last feed, but I'm kind of pumped on this one. They threw a shirt in this month. Sweet! What kind of shirt did we get? What kind of shirt did we get? Oh, that's pretty dope. Hold on, the tracker's got me. What's that say? Lift. Oh, that's pretty cool, right? It's a "This is how we roll" shirt. Sweet! I swear this motion thing is just... Gotta bring this down. Come here. Come here. Cool. Got a shirt for this month. Ooh. And the last one's... Really? The T-Motor Pacer flight controller. Single-sided flight controller. Very nice detailed instructions. Always like instructions that give you all the... Wait, maybe not that side. I don't speak Chinese or Korean. I'm not sure what that is, but at least all the markers are in English. English is on the side. Got it. So it's the T-Motor Pacer F7. Very nice. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Nice. It is DJI compatible. Comes with all the plugs and some little rubber standoffs. Extra little hardware down there. But as you can see, that's actually pretty dope flight controller. Right? Man, it's pretty clean. Check it, check it. Alright. Not bad, FPVcrate. Pretty good for the month. I mean, we did get some motors last month, but still stepping it up with, yeah, that's a nice flight controller. Anyways, gang, hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing of FPVcrate this month. Stay tuned. We'll get Marches going because it's already in transit, so hopefully I'll get a video out before next month's April. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos. Comment, like, subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe. What am I speaking here? Jeez. Anyway, talk to you. Peace.